So let's discuss Euro USD. Has the plan changed? No, we are still very much in this upward trend. Okay, you can see this very ascending channel, how the price has been within this channel. All these things that we are seeing here is yet a consolidation, and this will be an area to watch within this last phase of this consolidation. I'll be showing us something in the daily time frame and also in the weekly time frame why I think that this upward trend is not over, despite this very consolidation of this corrective move that we are seeing here. Seeing that we had a fake out above the channel, which is to lead us to the other part of the channel to complete the symmetry. So we are most likely going to get the move back into this very area. So when we get the move back to this area, there we see that there is a confluence of supports here. The bottom of this very channel is a support. The bottom of this other descending channel is a support. The top of this very channel, this channel is also a support, and this other top of the other channel is also a support. So we can say that the trend will change if and only if price begins to close below it and consistently remain below it, thereby targeting these very lows. Then and only then can we say that the upward trend is changing. But let me show you why I think that this upward trend is not yet abating. So I'll take you to the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame we've been looking at all the while. Remember that why the price was right here, I made us to understand that price lost symmetry and the price is going to hit the top of this split channel, and we got that. Even when we were also here, I was telling us that okay, reclaim of this very green channel will lead price to the top of the green channel, which we got before we finally got there. So we've hit the top of all the channels, but there is one channel that is remaining, which is why I think that we are still going to head up. Okay, so and that is this channel. All right, look at this very channel. So when we get back, we see where we got a fake out below the channel. And remember, like I always said, a fake out in one direction leads to an extended move to the opposite direction. It may take time. So this is the closest price is getting to the top of the channel, and the top of the channel is right here, which I once told us that there is an imbalance just around that area, and this is the imbalance I talked about. So I told us that since price broke this level, we've not seen price retest it at all. So there is imbalance around here. Okay, and that is why I think that so long as price remains within this channel, okay, this new channel, this rising channel I just drew, okay, so long as price remains within this rising channel, we are most likely going to see price bounce off from anywhere here, then target this very 1.2081, and even most likely, like I pointed out in my previous videos, most likely we may even get something further up, like up to 1.2350 and most likely 1.2540 area. There we can begin to expect a sharp sell-off. Nobody knows exactly what it's going to do, so we just have to observe and see what happens. So I hope this adds value to your trading.